I think, when you have a discussion like this happening, boys need to be more nervous.
Actually, I don't have a question as such.
Okay.
Instead of
You have an observation?
When you said about Chetan Bhagat or something, he's working as such.
Okay.
And he's doing something what he loves. There's passion in writing. Okay, he's writing and she's earning. It's a different thing there. And one more thing, when you talk about challenges, it's how we accept things.
Right.
For ma'am told us she had challenges and everything. She has difficulties. She went for teaching, and she quit the thing because she did not feel what she was doing was right. So what if she has left it there? The problem is in the women right now. They leave the problems there. They think it's a big challenge and they leave at that particular point. Many a women.
Correction. I didn't say I had problems, so I quit. I didn't enjoy
You
it.
did not quit. You did not enjoy
No.
it.
What I'm saying is, ultimately, we all need to find that something which motivates us, challenges us, and we are passionate about it.
Exactly. That's lacking in many of the women right now.
Not necessarily. Okay. It is not lacking in women, but they do not have the freedom like guys to do that. Okay, the guys can do a lot of things, the women don't get the opportunity to do that. Okay, how many women who are passionate about driving can take on to the roads and become taxi drivers? Okay, how many women who are passionate about, strategy, or how many women who are passionate about, could be anything that is a male masturbation. They can't get into that. Somebody who is very passionate about motocross, about biking, about speeding. Have you seen any women racers?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't.
There are taxi drivers.
Not many. What is the percentage? 0.000001?
Yeah.
That is minuscule. Why is that so? Because traditionally, not in India, traditionally, Indian male, it's very interesting. India started out as a matriarchal country. The women in the house ruled. Then what happened? Then Britishers happened. Then what happened? Then the male got dominance. Then what happened? Women got given back seat. And we still continue. Forget it, guys. The Britishers have left our country and gone almost more than half a decade up. It's time we go back to our matriarchal, culture and bring the women to the forefront. Do you know why? Do you know that men cannot multitask whereas women can multitask? This makes the women efficient. It's nothing wrong or nothing bad with men. It is just that they are wired that way. They are wired to do single things at a time, whereas women are wired to do multiple things at the same time. So don't you think they're more efficient? Don't you think your life will be much more easier just to sit back at home like Chetan Bhagat and follow your passion and let the woman do the breadwinning?
Chetan Bhagat will not be the topic of discussion.
Yes, somebody has her hand
I
up
would just
there.
like to add something to your question and what she said.
That question was asked.
Okay.
I'm not opposing.
No, it's not opposition.
We are not saying opposing, we are actually thankful to you for bringing that up.
See, there are circumstances now. When I did my engineering, we were only 2 girls in the class. The other girl was very short, and we had a regular hardcore engineering wherein we had to do smithy. The sledgehammer was as tall as the other girl. So I was the only one who could lift the sledgehammer, and I was half this size. All the guys stood seeing, they just wanted to see whether I'll be able to lift the sledgehammer. Not one came forward to help me out. Okay, so then always a guy sees, let's see how these people do. Then you ask help, everyone is willing to help, but nobody volunteers to help.
Ma'am, can I add to this?
Yes.
Coming back to your question, this is